Hello friends, in today's video I'm gonna be walking through how to add text to Instagram Reels at different times. But before getting started this video, make sure to subscribe 5-minute solution. So I'm gonna tapping on this plus icon and selecting here Reel, and I'm capturing a dummy reel here and tapping on next. And now let's see how to add text. So for that, tap on this double A icon and type here your text. I'm going to adding a background here. Making this text a little bit bigger, and I'm going to adding another text. So I'm tapping on A and done. Okay, as you can see here I have added two different text, and now let's see how to feasible these two text at different times. So for that, I'm going to selecting here this first text. To put the text at different times in your video, navigate to timeline button at the top right of the screen and adjust the duration of the added text to decide the time when the text appear and disappear by dragging and dropping the text. So I'm going to selecting here this part for my first text, tapping on done, and now I'm gonna selecting my second text and selecting this time, done. Next, so here you can see I've added text to my reels at different times. So that's how you can do it. If this video helped you, give a thumbs up and please consider subscribe to 5-minute solution. Thank you for watching.